Now, principle of mathematical induction. We have explained this principle of mathematical induction in the previous video. But anyhow, we will have a review of that result here, and then we will consider an example. Example problem applying this principle of mathematical induction. So this principle of mathematical induction is a technique or a method with which we can prove a statement or a result. We will be given a statement involving the natural number n. In mathematics, there are such statements or results involving the natural number n. And then the principle of mathematical induction is this. If we can prove the result is true for n equal to 1, and also if we can prove, assuming the result is true for n equal to k, it is true for the next higher value n equal to k plus 1 also, then the result or the statement given by Pn will be true for all values of n. That is the principle. That is, suppose there is a given statement Pn involving the natural number n such that 1. The statement is true for n equal to 1. That is, P1 is true. For n equal to 1, the statement is P1. P1 is true. And 2, if the statement is true for n equal to k, then the statement is also true for n equal to k plus 1. If it is true for n equal to k, it is also true for n equal to k plus 1. That is, the truth of pk implies or induces the truth of pk plus 1. Then the principle says that the statement Pn is true for all values of n. All values of n. That is, it is true for n equal to 1. That will be proved, that will be shown by actual substitution. Then assume it is true for n equal to k. If it is true for n equal to k, then we will prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1 also. So, then coming back to this first stage, it is already true for n equal to 1. Therefore, by the second induction, the truth of pk implies or induces the truth of pk plus 1. That means, since it is true for n equal to 1, it will be true for n equal to 1 plus 1. That is 2. That is, P2 is true. If it is true for n equal to 2, then it will be true for n equal to 3. P3 is true. P4 is true similarly. And this is true for all values of n. So, applying this principle to prove a result, what we do is, first stage, verify it is true for n equal to 1. Second, assume it is true for n equal to k. Prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1 also, and that's all. Then, by the principle, it is true for all values of n. And that is all. Okay? So, we can have an example. So, consider the statement or the result given by this Pn. Suppose Pn is equal to what is given by the statement, the sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the statement for the result. The sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So clearly n is a natural number. That is, the statement is, this Pn is this 1 plus 2 plus etc. plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is a reservoir formula. First n natural numbers, sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we want to prove this by mathematical induction. But we do step 1. So proof. Step 1. Suppose n equal to 1. We want to prove this is true. The result is true for n equal to 1. That is, for n equal to 1, we want to prove left side equal to right side. This is a result, an equation, a formula. So left side equal to right side. Prove n equal to 1 for n equal to 1. So for n equal to 1, left side is equal to, there is n term, when this, when we have this n terms, this sum 1 to n. If this n equal to 1, there is only one term in the left side, so left side equal to 1. Okay. And right side equal to, substitute n equal to 1 here, right side equal to, this equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. That is, left side equal to right side. That is, P1 is true. That is, P1 is true. Then, second step. Assume the result or the statement is true for n equal to k. So, assume stage 2. This is stage 1. Assume this pk is true. Result is true for n equal to k. Pk is true. That is 1 plus 2 plus etc. plus k is equal to k into k plus 1 divided by 2. This is our assumption. This is true. That is, first k natural number is given by k into k plus 1 by 2. This is true for n equal to k. Then we want to prove pk plus 1 is also true. We want to prove this pk plus 1 is true. For this, consider this pk plus 1. Pk plus 1 is this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k plus 1, k plus 1. Sum of the first k plus 1 natural numbers. So starting from 1 ending k plus 1. So last but one term is k plus 1. So this is equal to, we want to prove that this can be written exactly in this form. In place of n, we want to place k plus 1. We want to express this in this form. So for this, we can consider this as two parts. First sum up to k, then second is k plus 1. So this is equal to, for this up to k, we can use this formula because for this is true. So this is equal to k into k plus 1 divided by 2 plus k plus 1. K plus 1 is. And then it is again equal to, taking LCM 2. So we see that k into k plus 1 plus 2k plus 1 divided by 2, which is again equal to, in the numerator, 2 terms, so k plus 1 common factor that can be taken outside, so k plus 1 taken outside into, here k and here 2, k plus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to, this can be written as k plus 1 into k plus 1, k plus 2 can be written as k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. It is exactly in this form. In place of n, we have k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. n into n plus 1 by 2, 4. That is, the formula is true for k plus 1 also. If it is true for n equal to k. Then the principle of mathematical induction says that then the result is true for all values of n. Because it is true for n equal to 1 we have proved. So by this induction, if it is true for n equal to k, it is true for n equal to k plus 1. Since it is true for n equal to 1, it is true for n equal to 1 plus 1, n equal to 2. So P2 true. If it is true for n equal to 2, then it will be true for n equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3. So P3 true. Similarly, P4 true, P5 true, etc. It is true for all values of this n. So this is the proof, and this result principle is the principle of mathematical induction. Okay? We can have more examples in next videos.